Today we are working on Unit 5, Lesson 6, Remembering. So it's all review. We have a couple of story problems, multiplication with decimals, as well as some division problems with 1- and 2-digit divisors. You can go ahead and put an X through stretch your thinking before we get started. Our story problems today: Aiden buys a pair of jeans that costs $45.28. The sales tax that will be added to the cost of the jeans is $3.62. What is the total cost of the jeans? So in order to figure out the total cost, you're going to have to take the cost of the jeans, which is your $45.28, and you're going to have to add the sales tax, which is $3.62. This is something that's foreign to you guys because we don't have sales tax where we live. So you're going to have to add those together to figure out what his total cost is going to be. When we add and subtract decimals, remember you always bring that decimal down first. It stays in the same place, lined up. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Put down your 0, carry your 1. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8, plus 1 is equal to 9. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8, and 4 plus nothing is equal to 4. And don't forget you have to complete it with your dollar sign. So the total cost of those jeans is going to be $48.90. So $48.90. You can go ahead and look at number 2 on your own. When we look at numbers 3 through 8, you're multiplying with decimals. And remember, when we multiply with decimals, we start off by ignoring that decimal. Number 3, we have 150, and we're multiplying that by 0.6. 6 times 0 is equal to 0. 6 times 5 is equal to 30. Put down your 0, carry your 3. 6 times 1 is equal to 6, plus 3 is equal to 9. We have to identify where our decimal goes. And in order, in multiplying by decimals, in order to figure out where the decimal goes, you go to the original problem and you count all the numbers that follow a decimal. In this case, we only have one, and it's the 6. So we go down to our answer, and we shift one place, because we only had one number, to the left. Shift one place to the left, and so our answer here is going to be 90. We'll go ahead and look at number 4 and complete that one as well together. We have 3 and 41/100ths, or 3.41, and we're multiplying that by 48. Again, we can start out, and remember, just ignore the decimal right now, and let's go ahead and complete our multiplication. 8 times 1 is equal to 8. 8 times 4 is equal to 32. Put down your 2, carry your 3. 8 times 3 is equal to 24, plus 3 is equal to 27. I'm going to go ahead and erase my carried 3 there, and we'll go ahead and move on to the next one. Don't forget to put down your placeholder. 4 times 1 is equal to 4. 4 times 4 is equal to 16. Put down your 6, carry your 1. 4 times 3 is equal to 12, plus 1 is equal to 13. Now I can add it up. 8 plus nothing is equal to 8. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. Put down your 3, carry your 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, plus 3 more is equal to 6, and 1 plus nothing is equal to 1. Now we have to identify where our decimal goes. We go back to our original problem. We count all the numbers that follow the decimal. Here we have 2 numbers in the original problem following the decimal. So we go down to our original problem, and we're going to shift 2 places to the left. 1, 2, and then we're going to add in our decimal. So 163 and 68/100ths, or 163.68 is your answer. We're going to then go down to our division problems, and we will complete number 10 together. We have 4,140, and we're dividing that by 9. We know that 9 cannot go into 4 because it's larger. 9 can go into 41. Times 4 is equal to 36. And so then we can go ahead and subtract. Our 1 becomes an 11, and our 4 becomes a 3. 11 minus 6 is equal to 5, and 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. You can do your quick check and make sure that your remainder of 5 is less than your divisor, and that's 9, so you are safe. You can go ahead and move down your next number. And our next one is 4. So now we have 9 into 54. We know that 9 can go into 54 6 times, because 9 times 6 is equal to 54. And 54 minus 54 is equal to 0. We still have to bring down our last 0, and we know that 9 can go into 0 times. So our answer for this is going to, for number 10, is going to be 460. I'd like you to make sure that you complete numbers 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 11 on your own. When you've finished, please take a picture of your work, attach it to your assignment, upload, and turn it in on Teams.